Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for the Crime, Punishment, and Popular Culture Archive. Spanning from 1790 to 1920, this collection supports the study of 19th century criminal history, law, literature, and justice to explore the intersection of law and society during a time of great social change. Materials include trial transcripts, police and forensic reports, detective novels, newspaper accounts, true crime literature, and related ephemera. Topics cover the rise in crime during the Industrial Revolution, development of the metropolitan police departments, the public's fascination with sensational accounts, changing attitudes towards punishments, and, quote, scientific theories such as phrenology. Some significant collections within the archive includes Crime and Justice in Europe from the British Library for legal case notes and transcripts, prison policy, and individual criminals. 19th Century Crime, Literature Reports, and True Crime from the American Antiquarian Society for crime stats, constitutional and state laws, and aid groups pushing for reform. And the Wood Detective Agency records, 1865 to 1945, from the Harvard Law School for unique case notes and photographs on criminal cases. This archive also incorporates handwritten text recognition, which allows handwritten documents to be full-text searchable, similar to optical character recognition for printed materials, which is a major enhancement for digital humanities and scholarship studies. Like all of Gale's archives, Crime, Punishment, and Popular Culture has its own native platform and is also cross-searchable on the Gale Primary Sources platform. Let's start on the native platform. On the home page, you have the basic and advanced search options, as well as a toolbar in the upper right to browse by a specific collection or publication, as well as our new Learning Center, which will help orientate researchers with the content and themes of the archive through contextualizing resources. To begin a search, I'll type in a keyword. On the search results page, you can filter with the limiters on the right-hand side. For example, let's select a document type. We can go with court testimony. This now gives you a more tailored search results list. To assess if a source is relevant, you can use the keyword preview option. And when you move on to the facsimile page, you can find where that keyword appears using the search term hits option on the left-hand side. And your keyword will always be highlighted in green. You can also make the image bigger or smaller, as well as change the color. The upper right toolbar offers different options now as well, including a citation tool with Harvard style, a send to option for Google, Microsoft, or your email, download, print, or create a static URL with Git link. For more detailed searches, you can go to the advanced search. Here you can use Boolean operators, complete with tutorial search tips if necessary, and a variety of additional limiters. Back on the search results page, you can broaden your search by switching to Gale Primary Sources. This takes your original keyword and cross-searches it against all the other archives your university may have. Equipped with the same suite of study tools, you can do more overview browsing with Topic Finder, which takes your keyword and visually displays related topics for brainstorming. You can also make connections with the term frequency tool. This plots one or more keywords against a date line so you can spot trends and peaks that may lead to correlations. This has been a tutorial for the Crime, Punishment, and Popular Culture 1790 to 1920 archive. Thanks for watching.